Hi, good morning everybody. How are you? Today's topic is decimal. Decimal, the word decimal comes from a Latin word. Comes from a Latin word decima. Decima means 1/10. Decimal fraction is a fraction in which denominator is 10 or power of 10. The decimal fraction is a fraction where denominator is 10 or higher power of 10. Suppose let us consider a decimal fraction 0.4. 0.4 means 4 part out of 10. 4 part out of 10, that is 4 by 10. So we can write a simple fraction 4 by 10 in this way, 0.4. So 0.4 and 4 by 10 both are same. This is decimal fraction, this is simple fraction. This is simple fraction, this is decimal fraction. So decimal fraction is another representation of simple fraction. Let us consider the place value chart. Place value chart, this is decimal point, decimal. Toward right, integral part. And toward left integral part, and toward right of decimal is decimal part. Toward right, left decimal का बाद, after decimal unit place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, etc. Toward right, first place is 10th place, is called 10th place. Second place is 100th place. Third place is 1000 place. Next place is 10,000 place. Okay. Now consider a number 4321 dot, decimal 1 2 3. 4,000 place, in 1000 place there are 4. That means 4 into 1000. In 100 place there are 3, that means 3 into 100. In 10 place there are 2, there is 2 into 10, unit place 1 into 1. Next decimal, 10th place, in 10th place there are 1, that means 1 by 10. 100 place there is 2, that means 2 by 100. And in 1000 place there is 3, that means 3 by 1000. अब इसको ऐड कर लो, 4321, 1 by 10 means 0.1, 2 by 100 means 0.02, 3 by 1000 means 0.003. If we add all this number, you will have 4321.123. This is a decimal number. Now, like decimal and unlike decimal. Like decimal, that means decimal place कितनी है? There are 2 decimal place. Here is 2 decimal place, and next number will also 2 decimal place. The decimal places are same. Like decimal means decimal places are same. The fraction, the decimal fraction in which decimal places are same. Decimal places are same. The fraction in which decimal places are same is called like decimal, and unlike decimal, just opposite. The decimal places are different. The fraction where decimal places are different. 1 decimal place, here 3 decimal place, here 2 decimal place. So it is the answer, like decimal and unlike decimal. Now question is how you convert unlike decimal into like decimal. Conversion of unlike decimal to like decimal. Suppose 7.2, sorry, here 7.1, 0.123, 5.16. These 3 are unlike decimal. I will convert it into like decimal. Very simple. क्या देखोगे? Highest place of decimal कितना है? 3. So 0 put करो. 7.100, 0.123, 5.160. अभी all fractions are, all decimal numbers are with 3 decimal places हो गया. This is like decimal. Okay. Now conversion of fraction into decimal. There are 2 cases. If there are denominator with 10 or power of 10. अभी denominator 10, 10 और 100 और 1000 रहेगा तो क्या करोगे? If there are denominator with 10 and power of 10, first count number of zeros in the denominator. Denominator में कितने जीरो है गिनो. Next, move right from the numerator. Numerator से right move करो. As many as zero in the denominator. जितनी जीरो है, those there are 2 zeros. So you have to move 2 place and put it in decimal. Okay. So 39.10 100 equal to 0.39. And if there are denominator does not have 10 or power of 10, denominator में 10 नहीं है और power of 10 मतलब 100, 1000 ऐसे कुछ नहीं है, तो तुम बनाओ इसको 10 बनाओ, वाह, और 100 बनाओ नियरेस्ट जिसको जैसे पॉसिबल है. तो here in denominator is 5. So if I multiply 5 into 2, it will be 10. 2 multiply करो तो ऊपर multiply करो 4 by 10 मतलब 0.4. Now conversion decimal into fraction. इफ़ यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट ए डेसिमल नंबर इनटू फ्रैक्शन, क्या करोगे, जैसे कि 0.84, दिस 84 राइट इन न्यूमरेटर 84। अभी डेसिमल के बाद कितना प्लेस है देखो, 1 2, 1 का बाद 2 0 बैठाओ, जितना प्लेस रहेगा उतना 0 बैठाओगे 1 का बाद। ओके, इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो, 42 50, फिर काटो काटो 21 25 इक्वल टू 21/25, इसका आंसर 5.32। 5.32 मीन्स 5 इज द होल नंबर, तो होल 32.32 इज द डेसिमल पार्ट। 32 2 प्लेसेस है बाय 100। काटो 4 से काटो, 4 25 100, 4 8 is 32, तो 5 and 8 by 25. Now come exercise 3a, sum number 1, express in decimal, 3 into 10 plus 4 into 1 into 7 into 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 7 into 1 by 10. Okay, 3 into 10 30, 4 into 1 4, 7 into 1 by 10 मतलब means 7 by 10, 7 by 10 equal to 0.7, so 34.7. Okay, 133 divided by 100 डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो देयर आर 2 zeros, so from right side of the numerator you move 2 places of decimal, 2 places, तो डेसिमल इधर पुट करो, आ जाएगा आंसर 3 and 437 by 1000। 3 is the whole part ही रहेगा, and there are 3 zeros, so move from right of the numerator, 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, decimal is here 3.437. Okay, sum number 2, sum number 2, write the following decimal as fraction. Sum number 2, 2 का एक बड़ा 3, 2 का पार्ट 3, 1.009. This is a decimal fraction. You have to convert it into simple normal decimal as fraction. You have to convert it into fraction, मतलब simple vulgar fraction. Okay, convert it. 1 is integral part, so 1 decimal part is this. There are 3 places, 1 2 3, न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा 9 और डिनोमिनेटर में 1 0 0 0. ओके, 1 and 9 by 1000, 1 and 9 by 1000. Okay, next चलाइए sum number 3. Sum number 3, arrange the following number as ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. First, sum number 1, 3.57, 3.57, next 0 3.57, 0.357, 357, next 3.057, 3.057, next 3.571, 3.571, next 0.0357, 0.0357. 3.57 ओके। फर्स्ट क्या करोगे, मेक इट इनटू लाइक डेसिमल, 3 places of decimal here, here 2 places, here 3 places, here 3 places, here 4 places. So 4 places is the highest. So 3.57 इसको कन्वर्ट ये करो 3.5700, 4 places हो गया। नेक्स्ट है 0.357, इसको लाइक डेसिमल में लाओ 0.3570। नेक्स्ट 3.057, हाई स्टेप 4, 3.0570, 0570। नेक्स्ट है 3.571, 3.5710, and lastly 0.0357, 0.0357. Now compare. You have to make it ascending order. That means small to big. Small, इंटीग्रल पार्ट 0, इंटीग्रल पार्ट 0, इन दोनों से कोई एक स्मॉल होगा। कौन होगा? ये होगा। इधर है डेसिमल पार्ट में 3570, इधर है 3575। दिस इज 1। फर्स्ट आएगा ये, सेकेंड आएगा ये। सो थर्ड रेस्ट ऑफ 3 देखो 3.5700, 3.0570, 3.5710। इसमें से ऑल आर इंटीग्रल पार्ट 3। इसमें से कौन छोटा है? इसमें से ये छोटा है 570। दिस इज पोजीशन 3। ये है 4, 5700, ये 5710, ये सबसे बड़ा। ओके, अभी अरेंज कर लो। तो एक नंबर में आएगा ये 0.357, लेस देन, सबसे छोटा है। उसके बाद ये 0.357, लेस देन। नेक्स्ट नंबर 3.057। नेक्स्ट नंबर 4 3.57। नंबर 5 3.571। जब असेंडिंग ऑर्डर लिखोगे, ये जो नंबर दिया गया था, ये इसको ऑर्डर बनाओ, इसको नहीं। ये तो मेरे सिर्फ सुविधा के लिए हम लोग किया है। इसको ऑर्डर, इसको हेल्प लेके इसको ऑर्डर। ओके, चैप्टर एक्सरसाइज 3A completed. See you again next day. Thank you.